Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Reset Opera browser. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Opera browser. So yes, I'm going to reset my Opera browser in today's video. I'm going to do this for you guys. So first thing you need to do is open up your Opera. So once your Opera is open up, click on the three horizontal line on the top right corner, right here. After clicking on that, go down and go down to full browser settings. Once you're here, click on the browser and just keep scrolling down till you hit the reset settings. And once you're here, click on the restore settings to the original default. And there you go. So this will revert your search engine to its default, remove pin tabs, and reset browser settings. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies, your bookmarks, history, and save password will not be included. But there you go, guys. Right. Reset. Oh, there's a big change. As you can see, once when I reset it, the battery life disappeared. My sidebar just came back. There you go. So all of the changes that I've made in Opera has now been resetted to its default. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys before resetting some things in your Opera, save the important files. Save the important files and try to regain it if you reset the your Opera. So yeah. Another way, if you're using Opera GX, just click on the top right corner. You will see the three lines right here. And after clicking on that, click on settings. After clicking on settings, scroll down, then click on advanced. After clicking on advanced, just keep scrolling down until you see this one here. Restore settings to the original default. Then click on that, then click on reset. This will revert your search engine to its default. Remove pins, tab, and reset browser settings. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies, your bookmark history, and save password will not be cleared. So there we go. We're gonna click on reset. And there we go. As you can see, it is now been resetted. So there, as you see, my theme has been gone, the other things, the color has been changed. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.